In the bustling world of business, the art of listening is a golden key to success. As a business consultant, I've learned that to lead effectively, one must first listen intently. Active listening is not a passive act. It's a dynamic skill that demands full engagement and daily practice. It's about asking questions, providing feedback, and paraphrasing to ensure mutual understanding. In other words, did you mean, or, so in your opinion, the situation is? These phrases help establish common ground and show genuine comprehension. Listening with empathy means stepping into another's shoes, offering kindness, and understanding their perspective. It's about withholding judgment, being open to different viewpoints, and giving the conversation space to breathe. Face-to-face interactions, whether in person or via video, enhance this connection. Awareness in listening involves comparing spoken words to your knowledge and watching for congruence in visual cues. It's a delicate balance of observation and understanding, ensuring the speaker feels heard before transitioning topics. Finally, effective listening is about maintaining eye contact, leaning in, and reinforcing understanding through paraphrasing. It's committing to the moment, free from distractions, and signaling active engagement with simple affirmations. Remember, building human relationships through listening can lead to profound understanding and clarity in the business realm.